Hey guys, I think we might finally be starting to get that blizzard we were promised. It's snowing pretty good right now, and this is more like the snow you get when it's a blizzard and you end up getting a lot, right? So it's snowing pretty good. It is Sunday. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. My water barrels are making some noise over here. So yeah, it's about 3 in the afternoon and it's starting to snow pretty good. If this keeps up, I expect to see a good accumulation of snow by tomorrow. My friend in Denver told me that they have 16 inches now. So they had 9 this morning and they got another 7 during the day. And they're at 16 inches now. These girls have really been out today. You can see they're all pretty wet. It doesn't bother chickens though. It doesn't even get down to their bottom layer, and they can go in at any time. So but yeah, let me make sure their door's open just in case. Okay, good. I'll probably have to shut that top one tonight because it'll be cold. Take their food, try to get it over here in their coop so they can have some if they need it. Probably do the same with the water here. There we go. There you go, girls. So yeah, I mean, if you saw the video earlier when I came out here and shoveled all this morning, I had the ground pretty much completely clear by the house. And this has been about 30 minutes now of the snow going like this. And you can see I probably got as much as we did last night, which was like 1.5 inches in the last 30 minutes. So the storm might finally actually be here. This might be the Xylia I was promised. It does look like my boards might block it from the way it's blowing, so that'd be cool. And yeah, just a little update. We'll see if it keeps up. Have a good day.